Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, we will be revisiting Lithium with its upgraded version. Lithium is a jail customization tool for iOS 17 and up, which you can use to customize your device with features or feature flags without a jailbreak, with just the configuration profiles. Lithium is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. Briefly, the upgraded version carries more features like app management, app notifications, system-wide configuration, and so on. Now, to use Lithium, first of all, you will have to supervise your device. Yes, you can supervise your device with Nugget. Nugget is also completely free. You can simply head to its official GitHub page, get it from the latest release. I'm using Windows, so I will get the Windows version. Nugget is open. To use Nugget, you must install iTunes. After installing iTunes, connect your device, open Nugget, and you can see we are at the latest version as of making this video, iOS 18.4. Lithium works on it. Now, from settings in Nugget, you can enable supervision by simply checking the checkbox right here. Then go to apply and then hit apply changes. The device will now restart. Now the rest of the process is on device. Open settings just to confirm that the supervised mode is now enabled. You can see it right here. This iPad is supervised and managed. Now simply open Safari and head to the same official GitHub page for Lithium. Go to releases, scroll down, and you'll simply have to get this shortcut. Before you get it, make sure that the shortcuts app is installed on your device. If not, you can simply head to App Store, search for the shortcuts app here, and then install it to your device. Get the shortcut to your device. Download, go to downloads, tap on it, and then hit add shortcut. You can see it is here in all shortcuts. Run it, tap on it, and then hit OK. Then hit always allow. You will see this splash screen. Hit done here, then hit always allow again, and you will see this screen with all the options like app management, system configuration, home and lock screen, device preferences, and so on. Now in app management, you can disable or hide any app you have installed. For example, I will go to app visibility. Now here, go to modify apps, hit on add. Now you can import apps from App Store or import from the custom bundle ID. I will go home. For example, I have this app which I want to hide or disable by the name of iZip. I will select import from App Store. Now I will type its name here, iZip, done, and you will see this menu. Now select iZip from here, and then you will be presented with the menu again. Now again go to app management, go to app visibility, then hit install profile, hit always allow, hit on allow, then hit on close, go home, go to settings, you will see profile downloaded here, tap on it, then hit install, and then finally hit done. Now when you go home, you will see that the app is now hidden, it is disabled. Now to make it visible again, you can simply head to app management, app visibility, modify apps, tap on it, and then you can simply remove it from here, or you can open settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to device management, and you can simply remove this profile. When you go home, you will see that the app is now visible again. If you go to app management, app visibility, modify apps, you can add more apps using the same method if you want to hide them from all the views on the device, including Spotlight. Now under system configuration, we have toggle features which you can disable. For example, I want to disable camera. I will simply deselect it, then hit done. It will add a profile. You can simply hit always allow here. Go home and open settings. You will see profile downloaded. You can also see it in device management under general. Simply hit it, then hit done. Go home. You can see the camera is now completely invisible. It is now disabled from all the views. Like if I try to search, it is now completely invisible. Likewise, you can disable more features or more apps using the system-wide configuration. One good thing is, for your safety of your data and your device, you can simply head to the same system-wide configuration, go to toggles, and scroll down until you see erase content and settings. You can disable it so that you don't or any other person do not accidentally or intentionally click it, preventing data loss. So you can see I have deselected it. I will hit done. You will get a profile. Hit allow, close, go to settings. You will see profile downloaded right here. Hit it. Install. Done. Now when you go under general, scroll all the way down and go to transfer and reset. You can see erase all content and settings is now grayed out, preventing intentional or accidental data loss or device reset. Although you can reset your other settings which are not harmful for your data. And to enable it, you can simply go to general, go to device management and simply delete the profile. Now under home and lock screen, you can see we can disable the home screen. You can simply type a lock screen footnote. Alright, I will hit done. The second line, hit done. Again, you will get a profile, hit allow. Simply install the profile. I will lock the device, and after applying it, you can see we have the text right here. Now under device preferences, we have more options. You can enable skip setup. Just like in Nugget, you have the delay OTA. You can enable it if you want to delay OTA upgrade to a version higher than your version. We have settings which you can use to reset the shortcut, disable update checker, and so on. We missed one thing, that under app management, if you hit app notifications, you can simply hit modify apps, add the app, simply import from App Store, simply type its name for the app you have installed on your device. Done. Simply select it. Then go to app management, app notifications. You can install a profile. You will see that this method will suppress notifications for the app you have selected. You will simply install the profile. Done, and you are good to go. That's all for this video for Lithium. If you have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.